Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Aline and welcome to this review about the Quietum Plus. This is going to be a really short review about this supplement, but it's going to be very informative because I personally, when I start taking a supplement, I like to know everything about it. So I will be helping you guys out by sharing some very important infos and alerts about the Quietum Plus that not many people know of. Also, just make sure to watch this video until the very end, so hopefully all your questions and doubts will have been answered, all right? Guys, Quietum Plus has their very own official website where you can get it from without any hassle, without any complications, without having the thought of like, oh, what if it's not the real thing? So just be careful. But since I am here to help you guys out, I did go to the official website and I copied the link for you guys and I pasted it below this video in the description box. That way you know that you will be receiving the original Quietum Plus, getting it from a safe place and making a safe purchase as well. All right? Basically, Quietum Plus is a dietary supplement formulated to treat hearing problems, including conditions such as tinnitus. And when taken consistently, this supplement, it improves cognitive processes, allowing them to become faster while supporting hearing and reducing stress, and also providing a healthy inflammatory response to the brain tissues. Plus, Quietum Plus is absorbed by your central nervous system. So that's how it works. All right, guys? And it also works by improving hearing and enhancing the brain cells. So in addition, the supplement improves the function of the hearing system and reduces the effects of hearing loss. And this supplement has like 4 main steps that it goes through. So basically, you just need to remember to take your treatment seriously, use the Quietum Plus every single day, and you will have great results in no time, all right? It's going to help you guys remove that annoying ringing and buzzing sound in your ear. It's going to completely remove tinnitus, and it's going to help you with your brain health as well. And its ingredients are all natural, so don't worry. It has no contradictions and no side effects, meaning that you can take this treatment and the supplement without having to worry about it, all right? Guys, the Quietum Plus also offers you a 60-day money-back guarantee. After 60 days of taking Quietum Plus, if you are still unhappy with your results or if you don't wish to take it anymore, you can simply go back to the official website, contact the support team, and ask for a refund. Now, that's why it's important that you need to get it on the official website as well. In order for needing a refund, you can get one only over there. All right? But let me just tell you that people have completely changed the way they treat tinnitus. You don't need to be on strong medication, expensive medication anymore, because the Quietum Plus is here to help you guys out by helping you treat your tinnitus problems naturally. That basically will also help you with your overall health as well. All right? Guys, if you do wish to know more about the Quietum Plus, then visit the official website. Over there, you can read also people's feedbacks, get to know what ingredients it contains, and so much more. The link is just below this video in the description box. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See ya!